My name is Zach Erickson. I'm a senior at Humboldt State University, majoring in forestry with a focus in soils. I'm out here living the dream, hiking around, getting paid to help take care of our national parks. Never thought I'd actually be out here helping promote the growth of trees. It's not an intuitive thing when you're studying forestry, because generally the notion is that you're just cutting down trees for money. But we're out here focused on restoration. This project is pretty important to me because I've enjoyed the old growth redwoods in Humboldt County a lot, and now learning that over 2/3 of the park is kind of this overstocked second growth forest, meaning it was cut, and now there's just way too many trees. More trees than would be naturally found. And we are part of a project that is kind of giving the forest a hand to push it toward its old growth structure, the kind of structure that everyone around the world comes to see. Right now, all the data we're collecting is going to be utilized to measure more or less the success of the thinning processes and the thinning that we're going to be doing. So we collect this data before it happens, and then we come in, do the work, and without data before and after, there's no way to measure the success of the project. We wouldn't know if it was working, if it was helping, if it was hurting. So data is really important to drive projects like this. The legacy here is not going to be seen for a long time. So the investments of time and energy that we're putting in right now, the trees will see an immediate response. They'll begin to have more light, more access to resources, meaning light, water, nutrients. But it's going to be a long time until they reach that big tree, that iconic big tree of Humboldt County. We may not even be around to see the full potential of this project, but I think that's part of the what I like about it is because future generations are going to be able to enjoy it. And so the work we're doing now is going to be enjoyed later.